Welcome to Enduvo, the easiest way to create and share immersive content. In just a few moments, you'll learn how to interact with, create, and share your first experience. Enduvo's content is organized into experiences and playlists. Experiences are bite-sized building blocks of immersive content, each 5 minutes or less. Playlists group multiple experiences into a structured path. Consuming content in Enduvo is simple. Just click on an experience to start. You can interact with the experience on your computer or pop into a VR headset. Play the experience and listen one-on-one to the expert.
This is Dr. Matthew Bramlett with the University of Illinois and the Children's Hospital of Illinois. And this is a very brief and simple tutorial of how to draw a heart.
From your computer, your default view is to follow the expert, or just hit the F key to set your own stationary view. Move around the environment by using your mouse and keyboard. The control panel above shows you how. Remember, you're in control of the playback. You can pause at any time and interact with the objects. You can enlarge objects, rotate them, view components of the model using the segment tool, or even choose the cut plane tool from the toolbox to reveal cross-sectional views. You can speed up or slow down playback and use closed captioning if you'd like. When you're done, simply exit the experience and search for another one, or share this one with your colleagues. Now, let's show you how to make your own content through our no-code interface. Step 1. Hit Create and give your experience a name and thumbnail. Step 2. Select your scene. Step 3. Upload 3D models, videos, images, PDFs, or audio files. Once you upload them, they'll stay in your asset library, and you can search for them by thumbnail or listed by name. Step 4. Drag and drop your assets into place, just like if you were in a physical space. You have 3 options. You can use your keyboard and mouse controls to position objects. Remember, you can see the specifics of how up here. Press G to toggle the gizmo tool on and off for scaling and 3-dimensional rotation. Open the Properties panel and control opacity, position, rotation, and scale. Step 5. Now it's time to record. Press the red record button and capture your voice, gestures, and interactions with the objects. Alternatively, you can drop in a pre-recorded audio track here. Hit play to preview what you've recorded and save and exit when you're ready. Congratulations! You've just created your first Enduvo experience. Now it's time to share your expertise with the world. You can publish your experience to the platform, send a direct link to a colleague or friend, or share it by email or social media. When you're ready to create more, just head to your studio to see works in progress or published content. That's it! Now you're ready to explore, create, and share in Enduvo. Want to learn more? Check out our knowledge base or reach out to our team. Now, go create something amazing.